Hey everyone, welcome back to the video. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix apps not opening in simple and easy steps. Step 1. Force close the app. First, swipe up from the bottom of your screen and pause. Then find the app that won't open and swipe it up to close it completely. Now tap the app again and see if it opens. Step 2. Restart your phone. Next, restart your phone. Press and hold the power button. Then slide to power off. Wait for 10 seconds. Then turn it back on. Step 3. Check internet connection. Some apps won't open without internet. Turn Wi-Fi or mobile data off, wait a few seconds, then turn it back on. You can also try switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data. Step 4. Update the app. Now open the App Store, then tap on Profile, then tap on Apps. Scroll down and look for the app under Available Updates. Tap Update if one is available. Older versions obtained stop working. Step 5. Update iOS. Open Settings, then General, then Software Update. If an update is available, install it. App issues are often fixed with the latest iOS update. Step 6. Delete and reinstall the app. If the app still won't open, press and hold the app icon, tap remove app, then delete app. Then go to App Store and reinstall it. And that's how you can fix the apps not opening. And that's it. I hope you like this video. If you find this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe to our channel. See you in the next video.